Layeredge introduced a new task that is almost a bit technical, but if you follow the steps that I am about to show you in this video, you are going to get this task completed. Now, all you simply have to do is to open up your Layeredge account. As for me, I am using my MetaMask browser to open up my Layeredge. It does not matter if you are using your Mrs. browser or you are using your Chrome browser on your PC. So as you can see, this is my page here. The next thing you want to do is to click this up button, this button at the top right of your screen, the hamburger button. Once you click to open it, you are going to see a list of options displayed. So from this list of options, you can now see task and it is glowing new. So what you want to do now is to click on that task and allow it to load up. Now this is my task page. The next thing I want to do now is to scroll up and locate the task that we have to complete. Now, if you take note of all these tasks, this one is saying coming soon. That means it is not available for us to complete yet. So if I scroll up further, you can see this other task that is showing. It says coming soon. So apparently, the only tasks that are available for us to complete are these two tasks. And you can see complete task. And then you see this one, verify browser-based light node. Now, this is the most important task. I'll go ahead and click on complete task and you are going to get an error message. It will not work out and there is a reason for that. I'm going to show you how to bypass this in this video. So if I click on sign in message right now and let's wait, you can see it say error, please submit your proof of ID first. So what we simply need to do is to submit a proof of ID, and as you can see, it has redirected me automatically to this page. But in case your own did not redirect you automatically, what you can simply do is to still click on that hamburger menu again, and then you can simply select on this proof. Now I'll go ahead. In this box here, what I want to type is I am human. So just go ahead and type I am human in that box, and then I'll go ahead and submit. Alright, after typing it, I'll click on send proof and then you wait for it to load up. Apparently, I still have to sign a contract for this message to work out, so I'll go ahead and sign it. Now, as you can see, my proof has already been submitted. The next thing you want to do is to generate your proof card, and you can simply do that by clicking on this generate proof card. Alright, as you can see, my proof card has been generated. You can either download this or share the post to X, but make sure to share this post to X. It is important. So the next thing I want to do is to click on post to X, and it should redirect me automatically into my Twitter or my X account. As you can see, this is it here. So the next thing you want to do is to simply click on this post, and after doing so, it has brought me back to this page. After this, I want to tap anywhere on this screen so that I can exit this. Now the next thing you want to do is to click on the hamburger menu once again, and this time around you go over to the task section. Then I want to scroll up and locate where that task is once again. This time around it should work out. So I'll go ahead and click on complete task, wait for them to tell me to sign the contract, and then I click on this sign. Alright, so apparently you can see I have completed this task by simply following those steps. After that, what you simply need to do next is to just tap on this verify browser and it is going to work automatically because you have of course been mining on this your Layeredge for quite some time. So that task should work out. Let's see if my own will work out. Alright, so apparently it is showing me error and then it is now redirecting me into this page. I do not know why, but let me go ahead and try to complete that task once again. But it should work out straight up. So I don't know why it refused to work the first time I tried it. But I tried it for the second time and it went automatically. So you shouldn't face any issues with it. If I scroll up, you can see it is showing completed here. That is on my second trial. And that is basically how it is. So make sure you are subscribed to this channel Use the link in the description box of this video to join my Telegram channel for more airdrop updates like this. And if you still face any issues or you have any question at all, do not hesitate to drop them in the comment section of this video.